Yeah, hello. So today we are testing on the 0.45 macro wide lens for phones, clip-on accessory for mobile phones. If you want to up your videography or photography game, I think this lens is the best for you. So let's check out the features of this lens and let's unbox it first. Yeah, so the lens came in this black leather pouch or bag, very nice and black in color. As you can see, this is me removing the lens. This is the lens clip for your phone. You can use this lens on both iPhones, Android and any other smartphone. Once it has camera at the back and it's nice, you can just clip this on to take your pictures and videos. But at the end of this video, you will be able to learn how we can use this lens to our benefit to get the best out of it. So make sure you watch to the end, and if you are new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. So let's get into it. Yeah, so first of all, let's remove the lens cap and check out how the lens came, whether it had fault or nothing. So as you can see, this is the lens, the macro lens, and before you fix it, you need to remove the back too. So this is the back remover. As you can see, it's very nice with the macro boldly written on it. And so let's give it a test and see how best it performs on the phone. So this is me fixing my lens on the clipper before I place it on my camera of this iPhone SE. So make sure, this is the tricky part, make sure you always place it gently because it can damage your screen because of how fast the clip works after placing it here. So this is me setting it up, and let's test this lens and see how best you can take pictures and photos with this iPhone SE 2nd gen. Yeah, so I took pictures and videos of the flowers here. Then I'll leave them at the end after the shoot in the video, so you judge by yourself how it turned out. I did one with the lens and one without the lens, so I'll just compare them. So you judge with your own eyes whether this lens is the best for you. And at the end, I think this is the review. You can judge it by yourself. I'll rate this, let's say 6 or 5 out of 10. Maybe I didn't use it to the full potential, or maybe how I imagine it to perform. It didn't perform that way. But let me see your opinion in the comment, whether you bought it or maybe you've tried any other lens and it worked perfectly. Thanks.